This is Duke University.
Congratulations, Duke students, faculty, and staff. You can now add Mobile DukeCard to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Mobile DukeCard is available on iPhone 6 and later, and Apple Watch Series 1 and 2 and later. Your Mobile DukeCard can be used virtually anywhere your physical DukeCard can. The only exceptions are merchants on points and food trucks. Mobile DukeCard is completely separate from Apple Pay, which is associated with a credit or debit card, but you use it the same way to pay for Duke expenses through Flex or food points. Be sure to type your Mobile DukeCard where indicated. You can use your Mobile DukeCard for building doors, Duke stores, laundry, vending, and dining. Mobile DukeCard uses Express Mode, meaning all you have to do is tap near the reader. There is no need to unlock your phone or open your wallet. Express Mode is available for all devices except iPhone 6 and 6 Plus. On those devices, you'll need to open your wallet and use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. You can find instructions to turn off Express Mode on the OIT website at oit.duke.edu. So, enjoy the convenience of your new Mobile DukeCard on iPhone and Apple Watch. OIT plans to make Mobile DukeCard available on more devices in the future.